Hi everybody, welcome back. It's Jennifer from Jennifer's Diamond Paintings and Cross Stitch. I'm doing an unbagging. This is was supposed to be a Christmas present for my daughter Miranda, but ended up being a birthday present because her birthday is next month. So yeah, this is, I got it from Amazon. This is what it's going to look like. I don't know if you guys can see the picture or not. It's got balloons on it. It said diamond, or it said dragon on it, on the description, but as you can see, it says fairyland. So, I'm not even sure of the size, but we're going to open this up and we're going to see. And what I could tell of it so far, the drill field looks pretty clear. Oh wow. Okay. I don't know. This is the picture. And this is what, I don't know. And of course, you know, you get the drill kit. I'm not sure about this. I'm talking about the picture. Okay. So far, it's pretty sticky. So.
Oh no, it's wrong.
But it's gonna be pretty, all the colors. I was looking at all the colors on the drill field, and it looks like it's gonna be pretty colorful. I mean, that's what the picture looked like, and of course I'm making a complete total mess of this. I have, you know what? I have the pit cover. Hold on. I'm gonna cut and put over top of this for her because I don't like the
Keeping this piece stuff. Keeping the plastic.
I don't like the clear plastic. It's kind of
Keeping it back.
all right. And yeah, the only reason I'm not keeping the plastic is because when I was trying to put it back, it kind of, yeah. And of course, I just made a big mess. All right. So she can. I know she won't start this now because she's working on her butterfly one from Christmas still. But yeah, that is, it was from Amazon. I'm not quite sure what store it was from. All I know is it came from California. SF Express is what the name of it is. There are 13 colors. So let's see. $11, $12, wait a minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yep, all 13 colors are here. They're pretty colorful. I don't know if you guys can see the colors, but it's going to be pretty colorful. And I'm not sure if that's 310 or not, because there isn't an actual, it just gives you the color. So, but that is it. That is her unboxing, and that's really, this was supposed to be a Christmas present, but it wasn't, so it came late when I ordered it. It was, yeah. When I ordered it, they said it wouldn't come until this week, so, which is fine. And of course, you know, she gets the toolkit and the wax and the tray. There aren't any bags with it. I thought there would be, but this time she didn't get bags in it. But again, it's Fairyland, and it doesn't even have a size on it. There's no size on it. So I'm not really sure. I don't even remember what the size was. But that's what it, this is how big it's going to be. I'll probably say 30 by 40. So I'm guessing. No, it's centimeters. So anyway, but that's it, and it's called Fairyland. We got this from Amazon. So that's hers. Again. But that is good, and so far I'm liking the way the canvas is turning out because I don't see any damage to it, which is good. So I just took the OPEC cover from my Ever Moment and put it on here because that clear plastic is a pain in the butt.
Keeping it though.
So, anyway, but that is, excuse me, that is her Christmas present, or, well, Christmas present, birthday present. So, but there you go, guys, and thanks.